The next mistake I've made just recently was in creating these bookmarks for my August mail out. They're getting ready to go out. And it was created from a pattern, one of my more popular patterns on Spoonflower of coastal oysters and shells, which is cute and a great idea, but because I wanted it double-sided, I adhered two paper bookmarks together, and then I decided to laminate it. And in the lamination process, and then adding the final ribbon, I'll show at the end, I've weighted it so much that when I actually put all of my ingredients on a scale, I'm almost at 1 ounce. And the goal of this new print club is to not exceed 1 ounce, to keep everything the cost of a stamp. So I don't think I even have room this month for my protective tissue paper. I'm gonna have to see what I can work out. But I've already made these. They were gonna be included. I'll just have to learn from this. But yes, I think bookmarks are a great idea, but I'm gonna have to just make some really thick paper ones and not worry about this heavy laminating on top of it. And especially the ribbon adds a lot to it as well. So you really have to be mindful of the weight of your entire package to keep your costs down.